my channel, Askdeavilasade, with your host, DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new to my channel is where mental health meets the millennial with just a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey, as well as a couple of travel vlogs here and there. And I'm so excited to bring you this new video. Excuse the lighting, y'all. Like, the sun is just moving and doing what it wants to do, and I can see myself changing colors right now. So, bear with me. So the video I am bringing you all today is the reasons why I decided to choose Microlocs as my way of doing my hair. Yes, if you have not seen my past video about my natural hair journey, you've seen me go through relaxers, going natural in undergrad, big chopping twice. They got me here to the point that I'm just like, yes, I am in the season of wanting my hair locked. So I just want to share with you the reasons why I felt like Microlocs was the best choice for me in the season that I'm in today. So let's get into it. First, the reason that I felt like I wanted to choose Microlocs is because of convenience. My lifestyle is really different from when I was in undergrad and all I had to do was go to class and go home. So back then, I could wash my hair twice a week. I could deep condition for 8 hours. Like, I have 8-hour wash days. Where I am now in my 30s, I am in the last year of my doctoral program. I am in dissertation mode. I actually took a break from my dissertation just so I could film this video. I'm also an entrepreneur, a full-time entrepreneur. I work for myself as a therapist. I have my own private practice where I see clients in 5 states virtually. So it has a lot of my time. I'm not on social media really right now. I haven't been on there since January, and here it is April, because my dissertation and school just takes up a lot of my time. So I needed a hairstyle that I still felt like, okay, I look presentable, and I really just don't have time to do it. So, Microlocs is very convenient for where I am in my life right now. If you're a new mother, or you're transitioning to a new state, or transitioning to just finishing up your degree as I am, you might know that, hair might not be a top priority for you. So here's a hairstyle where you can still be looking cute and still be getting your stuff done. So like I said, it's very convenient for where I am in my life in my 30s. So that is one major reason why I chose Microlocs. The second reason why I chose Microlocs is because of, personally for me, the price point. Now, I know when we think Microlocs, we think, well, they still are expensive to establish, right? Compared to Sisterlocks, considering that I wanted a very similar look, it was a better price point for me. Sisterlocks are just super expensive due to it being trademarked. It having to be a certain size. You have to have a certain amount of locks. Sisterlocks just for me wasn't the best option, even though they are very cute. Styles look so similar for such a big price difference, whereas I was being quoted maybe $1,500, $1,600 to get Sisterlocks installed. For Microlocs, I was quoted like $800 and some. It was more convenient for my price point. So that's the reason why I chose Microlocs over Sisterlocks, and that may be a reason why you decide to choose, considering that, baby, they look very, very similar. I don't care who says they don't. I get asked all the time, are these Sisterlocks? And I'm like, no, they are Microlocs. Also, installation just didn't take as long. Granted, I had 2 people working on my head, but I used the 2-strand twist method to get my locks installed versus, the Sisterlocks, it was, an actual lock being formed, the interlock method, whatever their format of doing it. People were taking 2 and 3 days to get their Sisterlocks installed. And I was like, again, going back to my first point, time. I don't have the time. So what took me 7 hours, because 2 people were working on my head, it might have taken someone else days, and days I did not have to be sitting up in somebody's shop. So another reason why I did it, the price point. Another reason why I chose Microlocs as my style for where I am in my life right now is because of versatility. some people are very quick to get offended when I say versatility, or when people say versatility, not necessarily me because I've never said it. But people get offended because it's like you're shaming other locks, like traditional locks. No, I think traditional locks are beautiful. I think all locks are beautiful. So let's go. This is an all locks matter type of ordeal. However, for me, when I think about versatility, I wanted to still, if I want to slap on a wig, if I want to get braids, my locks would be small enough to fit under a wig. And I don't know if I got a big head or a little head. I didn't need it to be looking all lumpy and Humpty Dumpty around here. So I wanted something that was small enough that if I wanted to change hairstyles, I could do so. Also, if you've been following my journey, y'all know I really want color, but I have to wait until my locks mature. So if I ever want to just get a new hairstyle or a protective hairstyle that allowed me to have color without me coloring my own hair, I would be able to do that. So that is another reason why I chose Microlocs, because of the versatility. You know, I can change hairstyles and still have my locks. Period. Last but not least, a reason that I chose Microlocs as my locks of choice, and it's going to be very vain, is because they're cute. To me, when I think about cute, for me, I got to emphasize that for some of y'all, it's femininity. And when I mean by that, I feel feminine with smaller locks. I feel like a woman. I feel girlish, even though I can be very tomboyish at times. I still get that slay for me. Even though I've seen people with traditional locks slay it like, baby, they be looking like goddesses. For me, these were more feminine for my taste. And that's why I chose them. So femininity looks different for everybody. And then also people might not even subscribe to what's feminine or what's not feminine. And that's okay. But again, this is my preference. I wanted something just a little bit more feminine for me, and I loved them. They are cute, they are versatile, price point was good, and again, they're convenient. And those are the reasons why I chose Microlocs for where I am in my life. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. I love you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can get this Microlocs content. You can get this mental health content. You can get my travel vlogs. Go check out my playlist all up and through my channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, Askdeavilasade, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.